It's too hard to manage.
Oh no.
Saan tayo pwedeng mag-ano? Yung malapit na saan tayo pwedeng mag-drive thru?
I'll just give you the answers. There's street food over there. Siguro maganda daw sila.
You're no longer back home. Ready? One.
Come here! Come here!
All right, this way. One. Oh,
One more.
look. Look. Get in the middle. Get in the middle.
I won't be blocking
No,
you.
in the middle. In the middle. No, yeah. Get between Norma and Shara.
Okay.
Can you fit?
Oh, sorry. Okay.
There we go. There we go.
Okay.
I can't see.
Inside
I can see Elsa. Okay.
Elsie.
Beautiful smile. Okay, we got a few shots here and a half a minute of video. Kind of a quiet night, but there's a few people here, right there. See? A few people over at Takwan. Not quite dark, almost dark. The sun's already gone. A few people hanging out on a Tuesday night.
Hey little sister, what have you done? Hey little sister, who's the only one?
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, cool. That smells good. Smells good. Chop, chop. Smile.
Okay.
One, 1, 2, 3. This one's taking a video.
Uy, taho mo po takbang yung pusod mo. Kasi nakikita rin yan sa video.
Diba? 1, 2, 3.
That's a video. There we go. There we go. That's awesome.
Hindi pala pwede magkano kamay.
Go in there. I want a picture.
Wait lang po. Wait lang po.
Ano ba, Carla? Carla daw. Charlie kasi.
Wait, guys. Wait for me.
Bye.
Say
Now we go. Now take off those glasses.
Happy trip.
Smile.
Bye-bye.
Tagay pala. Akala ko happy trip, tagay.
Agad agad. Andiyan na, kuya. Si Charlie and bye.
Okay. Look at the size of that luggage.
Bye.
You have a house dress on. You're not going anywhere.
Ano?
Ah, picture daw siya na picture. Puto. O, halika na. Picturean mo. Diyan na din.
Colin! Bye! Might be a long time before we see you.
Tony, magpahal na kayo kay Tony.
Bye, Colin. Bye. Hope you have a good time, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Alright. That's a big piece of luggage right there.
Uy, amin.
And there's the car. I think it'll be big enough. Bye, Sierra.
Bye, Abby.
Iyak na. Iyak na, mami.
It doesn't work for me, but we get some coffee and Coke, Coca-Cola, coffee, and a big sandwich. We will eat half. That's 3 fat pieces of bread there. And there's the lovely. Okay, ready? Smile. Okay.